What's up guys, this is Masi. Welcome to my channel. This video I want to talk about perfect square trinomials. Suppose we have an expression a plus b to the power of 2. A plus b to the power of 2, if I want to expand it, it is a plus b times a plus b. Then if you void it, a times a is going to be a squared, a times b is going to be ab, b times a, ba, and then b times b is going to be b squared. Then if you want to simplify it, we have a squared, ab and ba are the same, so it's going to be 2ab plus b squared. That's called perfect square trinomials. For example, you have x plus 3 to the power of 2. X plus 3 to the power of 2, based on the perfect square trinomial, the answer will be x squared plus 2 times the first one, x times the second term, 3 plus the second term to the power of 2. So it's going to be x squared plus 6x plus 9. Perfect square trinomial. Another one, x minus 5 to the power of 2. That will be x squared plus 2 times x times negative 5 plus negative 5 to the power of 2. Again, all coming from this expression. So it's going to be x squared minus 10x plus 25. Negative 10x plus 25. Because negative 5 times negative 5 is positive 25. Another one is x or 2x plus 1 to the power of 2. The answer will be 2x to the power of 2 plus 2 times 2x times 1 plus 1 to the power of 2, which will be 4x squared plus 4x plus 1. So these kind of examples, these kind of trinomials is called perfect square trinomial. How do we figure out if we have a perfect square trinomial? The first thing you need to do, for example, you're given this expression x squared plus 6x plus 9. First thing you need to do, you get the coefficient of x, not x squared, x, which is 6 in this case. You divide it by 2, 6 divided by 2 is 3, and then you square it. 3 squared is 9. Then you compare it with this constant. If they are the same, it means that you have a perfect square trinomial. Let's do another example. X squared minus 10x plus 18. That's the coefficient of x, negative 10. Negative 10 divided by 2 is negative 5. Negative 5 to the power of 2 is 25. These two numbers, they don't match. They are not equal. So we conclude that this trinomial is not a perfect square trinomial. Why? Because these two numbers are different. But in this example, these two numbers are the same, so we have a perfect square. For example, one of this, let's do here. 6 divided by 2 is 3, to the power of 2 is 9. So that's why we have perfect square. Negative 10 divided by 2 is negative 5. Negative 5 to the power of 2 is 25. This one, we have 2x. We divide it by 2, which is 1. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 1 squared is going to be 1. That's the same as this guy. So that means we have perfect square. So that's how we figure out perfect square trinomials. How we identify if we have a perfect square trinomial or not. This is the whole story about perfect square trinomial. If you have any question, please leave it in a comment section and I will answer you as soon as possible. And please don't forget to subscribe this channel. You can find out lots of videos regarding math and other topics in science. Thank you and have a great day.